Hey viewers, you are watching GeoNexus on Wheels and I am Naved Kamar. Viewers, a trip to the mountains is a dream shared by almost everyone. Some people climb the peaks themselves, while others satisfy that longing by watching stunning landscapes on screen. But Pakistan is one of the few countries blessed with some of the tallest and most breathtaking mountains on earth. Viewers, do you know that there are 14 mountains in this world with 8,000 plus height? 8 of them are in Nepal or on the borders of Nepal. One mountain is in China and 5 mountains are in Pakistan or Pak-China border. One of them lies in Himalayas mountain range and rest of the 4 mountains are in Karakoram mountain range. So let's come with me to explore these stunning, majestic and sky-kissing mountains. But before that, do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you may not miss any of our future videos. Our journey begins with Gasherbrum 2, the fifth highest peak of Pakistan and the 13th highest in the world. Often referred to as K4 mountain, this majestic giant rises to an incredible height of 8,035 meters. Its first successful summit was achieved in July 1956, marking a historical milestone in high-altitude mountaineering. Standing proudly in the Gilgit-Baltistan region, Gasherbrum II rests within the mighty Gasherbrum Massif right along the Pakistan border with China, a mountain of beauty, challenge and sheer dominance, a true crown of the Karakoram. Next we come to Broad Peak, Pakistan's fourth and the world's 12th highest mountain. Rising to an astonishing height of 8,051 meters, this giant was first conquered in June 1957 by a team of Austrian climbers. Its first winter ascent was achieved much later in March 2013, proving once again the immense challenge these peaks hold. Historically known as K3 Mountain, Broad Peak earns its name from its remarkably long summit ridge, stretching approximately 1.5 kilometers, a wide snow-covered expanse that gives the mountain its distinct broad appearance. But Broad Peak is more than just a single summit. It is a massif of 5 notable peaks. The main Broad Peak at 8,051 meters, the Rocky Summit at 8,028 meters, Broad Peak Central at 8,011 meters, Broad Peak North at 7,490 meters, and Khurud Kangri rising to the height of 6,942 meters. Together, these summits form one of the most impressive and majestic mountain complexes in the Karakoram, a true masterpiece of nature. Now we turn to Gasherbrum 1, Pakistan's third and the world's 11th highest peak. It is also known as K5 mountain and is sometimes called Hidden Peak. The majestic mountain rises to an impressive height of 8,080 meters above sea level. Gasherbrum 1 was first successfully summited in July 1958 by an American expedition team. Its first winter ascent was achieved much later in March 2012. Like its neighboring peaks, Gasherbrum 1 is part of the Gasherbrum Massif located along the Pakistan-China border, standing as a towering monument of the Karakoram range. Now we move on to Pakistan's second and the world's ninth highest mountain, Nanga Parbat. This towering giant rises to 8,126 meters above sea level and was first successfully summited in July 1953. Nanga Parbat is also famously known as the Killer Mountain due to the many climbers who lost their lives attempting to reach its peak. In a remarkable feat, a German mountaineer first climbed it without supplemental oxygen in 1953. Its first winter ascent was achieved much later in February 2016, by a team that included the legendary Pakistani mountaineer Muhammad Ali. Now we turn to Pakistan's highest and the world's second highest mountain, K2. This majestic peak rises at 8,611 meters above sea level, making it the second tallest mountain on Earth. K2 is located in the Karakoram Range and is also famously known as the Killer Mountain due to its extreme difficulty and the high risk it possesses to climbers. On average, one in every five climbers attempting to summit K2 loses his life. The mountain was first successfully climbed in 1954 by an Italian expedition team. Its first winter ascent was achieved much later in 2021 by a team of Nepali climbers. K2 is also known as Godwin Austen or locally Chowari Mountain. Tragically, Pakistan's legendary mountaineer Muhammad Ali Sadpara lost his life here during a winter ascent attempt in February 2021, along with two companions, one from Iceland and one from Chile. Their bodies were later discovered in July 2021 by Muhammad Ali Sadpara's son Sajid Ali Sadpara and were respectfully laid to rest on K2 itself. In this way, Pakistan's greatest climber became forever a part of K2, a fitting tribute to a life dedicated to the mountains.